This here is our bolt welding jig. As you can see, we have the bolt in place and tightened down. Here's the front end of it. Here we're showing you that we have two set screws, one here and one over here, that tightens up on the bolt handle and holds it in place. I previously stuck it in a receiver and timed it so that we're in time now, so it's just a matter now of soldering it to the bolt body itself. What I've done is I've tinned over the bolt handle and I tinned over the bolt body so that and then refluxed them, so I know that basically all I got to do is warm this up till the silver solder melts, maybe add a little bit to it and let it cool, and that should be good to go. Okay, we'll start the silver solder procedure. Here we are in the silver solder now, and everything, like I said, has been tinned over. So basically all we got to do is warm it up and add a little solder to it, and it should be good to go. There, it's going around there real nice, and I think that'll do it.